You have the chance of going for the Senior Bowl and have a full week with NFL coaching staff, trainers, scouts. What you can talk about that week? What do you think was the biggest learning that you have on that week?
Well, I think that was just a week of just playing in the NFL. You learn so much from that week because, like I said, I come from LSU, but yeah, and it's the closest thing to the NFL, but it's not the NFL. And being able to be coached by NFL coaches and play under NFL rules, you learn so much and you retain so much information. I mean, even to the weigh-ins and the measurements and all that stuff like that. Me and Jabril, we were ready for it, but just because of the Senior Bowl, I didn't really have anything that that surprised me because during that Senior Bowl, we did it already. We kind of played it in the NFL for a week, so it definitely benefited me for today.
You say that you see yourself like the best corner, the slot corner on this draft, and talk a little about your qualities. But what do you think is your main quality that a team's gonna get it if they pick you on this draft?
Simple, the versatility. I've literally played every position in the secondary here at LSU in the best conference in the country. Cornerback, safety, slot corner, outside corner. I've been in the box. I've been in middle of field safety. I do it all. So when you get me, you don't just get a corner. You get a safety. You get a nickel. You get all of them in one.
They talk about the Senior Bowl and talk with a lot of teams. What they talk more for you like a quality, and what do you have to improve for the next level?
Yeah, they wanted to see me get in and out of my routes. That was a big thing for those scouts at the Senior Bowl, and I spoke with them after my routes, and they was saying they could tell I've been working on getting in and out of my routes and catching the ball. So I got good feedback from those scouts. Yes, sir.
LSU have a lot of great receivers in the recent years going for the NFL. Do you think this is like a chip on your shoulder for you guys, or just like, no, I'm gonna do my history and that's it?
Well, I don't think there's no chip on our shoulder. I don't think there's no worries for the rest of the receivers here. I think everyone just wants to build their own legacy, leave something at LSU because that's what we all came here to do, build our legacy and leave one. So I think that's all what we came to do.